In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to find out if your YouTube channel is shadow banned, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. You're welcome to Grow Better, and this channel will teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azmili, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. Right, so a lot of people are actually posting on YouTube every day, and they are not getting views, and they don't even know that maybe their page is being restricted or their channel is being shadow banned. Even though YouTube actually give people violation which always appear in your YouTube studio, and the thing is that it's not everybody that have laptop or desktop to check this violation, and it's not even everybody that understand when they are being given this violation, right? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to find out if your page or channel is being restricted or being shadow banned, right? We are not going to be doing this in YouTube Studio. We are going to be doing this with a website. So in this secret website, we are going to be finding out the status of your channel. If your channel is doing well, right, everything is going to be showing there. Even if your channel is monetized, it's going to show there as well, right? So, and if your channel is not doing well, they are still going to tell you there that your channel is not doing well, right? So I'll be taking you guys to the other side of the screen to show you guys this amazing website where we are going to be checking if your YouTube channel is shadow banned or not, right? But before we get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? So see you guys in the other side of the screen. So guys, if you want to check if your channel is actually doing well or if it is shadow banned, right, so the only thing you need to do is for you to come to your browser. I'm using an iPhone, so I'm going to my Safari. So tap on it, then come to Google, then search this YT checker. Once you search the YT checker, it will bring you here. Then you see this particular one, this ytlarge.com. You just need to tap on it. So once you tap on ytlarge.com, you just need to wait for it to load, and here we are, right? So the next thing you need to do is for you to go to YouTube and copy your profile link. So once you come to YouTube, you just come to your profile like this, right? Click on this view channel and tap on view channel and allow it to load. So once your channel have load, then come and click on this three dots up here. You can see these three dots up here, and you can see this shape right here, and you click on this share right here. Then once you click on this share, then the next you need to do is for you to come and click on this copy right here, then copy your link, right? So once you copy your link, then you just need to come back right here, close the ad, come and paste your link inside this space right here. So I've pasted my link right now. So if you look right here, you will see a number that you're supposed to enter right inside here. So what I'm seeing right here is I think is 447, right? So I just need to tap the 447, right? Then click on this done, then click on enter. Then right now they are checking my channel. Okay, right now it's done, right? So you can see here is the channel Grow Better is monetized, right? You can see they said in the channel authenticity status, they say this channel is perceived as original, good 100%. A channel advertising status, ads are active, 100% owned by the channel. So you can also see right here, it says there is no restriction. So if your channel has any restriction, it will show right there that you have restriction, and they will also tell you the reason why you have the restriction. Assuming I have a channel that is not really okay, I would have used it, but I don't have any channel that is not okay. So, but I just used my own, and you can see everything is fine right here. This is exactly how to check your channel if your channel is shadow banned or has restriction, right? So, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the other side of the screen. You're welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you all for watching my video, and see you in my next video.